Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So, in class 3 English literature, we are going to study lesson 8, Thingy Finds School. Okay, we have already done this in our live class, isn't it? I already explained you this play. Actually, this is a play. Okay, play, you can say this is a kind of a drama. You can perform it. So, drama is also a type of play, you can say, written for theater, television, radio and film. You can perform it. Okay, so that is actually a play. So this story is in the form of play. Okay, and actually this is a Burmese folk tale. So what is a folk tale? A folk tale is a story passed on by word of mouth or a legend or myth. Okay, shared among people of a culture. You see, in the olden days, people used to gather very long back. People used to sit together and somebody used to recite something. So it was a kind of a folk tale from one person to another. They used to hear and say, then from that person to another place it would go. So it would spread. Okay, so this is actually those were folk tales. Okay, so this is a Burmese folk tale. And folk tales typically try to teach a lesson about right and wrong, which is called a moral. They give us some lesson. You see, whatever folk tale is there, they try to give us a lesson. Okay, so we are going to read this play to find out about a young man, okay, who learns how to make gold from dust. He wants to he actually wants to change dust into gold. Okay, he wants to make gold. So is it possible to make gold from dust? Okay, you also must be hearing it for the first time. Okay, so now you see here there are 4 characters in this play. Who are they? Narrator, Thengi, Thuja and Thuja's father. So in this play you are going to learn that Thengi and Thuja, they are wife and husband, and Thuja's father is Thengi's father-in-law. Okay, so now let us start the play. Thengi and Thuja, they lived in a small village near the banks of river Iravati. Okay, all day long Thengi would try to change dust to gold. What was Thengi's work? He used to spend his time? Whole day he used to he used to try to change dust into gold. Okay, now Thuja, how I wish he could stop believing that he is an alchemist. Now who is an alchemist? Who wants to change, you can say who wants to change, who actually he wants to change any ordinary things into gold. Okay, he wants to change some things, you can say, like any ordinary thing he wants to change it into gold. So he is actually known as an alchemist. In olden days, a person who believed that gold could be made from ordinary things. But can we make gold from any ordinary thing? That also we have to think. Okay, so here we come to know that Thengi was an alchemist. Thengi was an alchemist. Okay, now Thengi, please find a job. Who used to say this? His wife Thuja used to say, you please find a job, we have to buy things for our family. Okay, now you see here, Thengi, don't worry. What he would reply, that I am on the verge of getting results, that I am very close to getting the results, that soon we will be quite rich. I'll change dust into gold and soon we will be quite rich. Okay, so this went for months. For many days, this continued, this process, and Thuja became tired of trying to change a lazy husband. Okay, so her husband, here we come to know that her husband was very lazy. Whole day he used to sit at home and do this experiment because he was an alchemist. He wanted to change dust into gold. Okay, so she turned to her father for help. Okay, so father, Thengi thinks that he is an alchemist. Thuja, you are a wise man, father. So Thuja said to her father that you are a wise man, father, please help me. Please talk some sense into Thengi. Please talk to him. Please try to explain him. Please advise him. Okay, narrator, now we have come to scene 2. This was scene 1 we were discussing. Okay, Thengi went to meet his father-in-law. Now Thengi, he went to meet his father-in-law. So his father-in-law was very happy to see Thengi. Okay, Thuja tells me that you are trying to turn dust into gold. He said that I came to know that you were trying to change dust into gold. Is that true? Thengi said yes. Okay, so when I was young, I was also an alchemist, his father-in-law told him. Okay, so you tell me your process, how you are going about it. Now the narrator is saying that Thengi was overjoyed because he thought his father-in-law might be angry. But his father-in-law was very, you can say he was very happy to meet him. He was quite encouraging. Okay, so without wasting any time, he tried to explain to his father-in-law that what he was actually doing. Okay, he told him every detail about the process that he was following, okay, to change dust into gold. Father, you know what, son, I think you are on the right track. Father-in-law also encouraged him that, son, you are on the right track, but you are missing something. What he was missing, he said that a silver powder that's found on banana leaves, that should be very easy to find, right? So Thengi was saying that, how can I get that silver powder, and where can I find it? Is it very easy to find? No, you have to first grow the plants and cast spells on them. So what father-in-law said, that first you have to grow the banana plants and you have to say some magic words on the plants, then only you can grow that powder. Okay, now you see here, only when the plants grow, the powder on the leaves will gain magical powers, he said. How much powder will I need? So he was asking, Thengi was asking that how much powder he needs to change dust into gold. So a kilogram should be fine, his father-in-law said. But for that I would need to grow 100 of banana plants, because 1 kilogram powder means a lot. So for that he needs to grow, he said that I need to grow lots of banana plants. Okay, I know it's too much work for you, let's just forget it. Father said, leave it, my son, because it's too much work. You have to grow the bananas, then you have to, when the plants will grow, then only you can get the powder. So it's very tough job, you please leave. Thengi, no father, I shall do everything you ask me to. Please teach me the magic spell. He only wanted to know the magic spell, the magical words. Okay, so take this, okay, so what happened? Take this money to buy whatever you need for growing the banana plants. So father-in-law, he gave him some money, he gave Thengi some money to grow the banana plants. Okay, so how he gave him some money so that he can grow the banana plants. Okay, now you see here with the money, that is, narrator is saying that what Thengi did with the money, with that money, that his father-in-law gave him, he bought a small plot of land, a small piece of land, okay, next to his house, and he then planted saplings, that means small banana plants he planted there after chanting the magic spells that his father-in-law taught him. So he said all the magical spells he said, okay, and he planted those plants. Okay, now scene 3. You see here that the banana plants have grown. I can hardly find any silver powder on the leaves. Now you see the banana plants were little big. Now they have grown. Okay, you can see in the picture also on page number 108. Okay, so now he can hardly find any silver powder on the leaves, because he was supposed to find that silver powder from which he is going to change the dust into gold. Okay, I will need to buy more land and grow more bananas to be able to collect a kilogram of powder. Okay, now he said that now I have to buy more land and I have to grow more bananas so that I can be able to collect a kilogram of powder. Okay, so now you see a year later what happened. Narrator is saying that a year later what has happened. Who is narrating this play? Narrator he is narrating the whole play, okay, to us. So a year later, Thengi visited Thuja's father again. He again went to meet his father-in-law, Thuja's father. Meanwhile, he had been planting more and more banana plants and growing lots of bananas. So in this whole year, in this what happened in this whole year? He was, for collecting that powder, silver color powder, he was planting more and more banana plants. Okay, he was buying land and he was planting more and more banana plants. Okay. Now, Thengi, father, here's a kilogram of the magic powder. Now, what should I do to turn dust into gold? Now, he has found that magic powder. From the leaves, he has collected some powder. So, he has now collected that magic powder. Now, what should I do to turn dust into gold? Now, he was saying, what should I do so that with this powder, that dust will be changed into gold? Wonderful, Thengi, I am so proud of you, and now I will show you how it's done. But I will need Thuja's help for this. So, father-in-law said that I am very proud of you. You have done such a good job, but I will show you how it's done. So for this, I need my daughter's help, Thuja's help. Narrator, so father went with Thengi to his home. So to his home, Thengi's home, he went. Means Thengi's and Thuja's home, father came. Okay, father-in-law came. Okay, so now you see your father, Thuja, my girl, what did you do with the banana that Thengi grew to collect the powder? So he asked his daughter, what did she do with those bananas that the Thengi planted and grew on the land? Why, I sold them, father. I needed money to run the house. What was her reply? That she sold those bananas because she needed money to run the house, to run her family. Okay, I have saved some money too. I have kept the bags of gold coins in the loft, and she has saved also some money and she has kept them in the bags Okay, in the form of gold coins she has kept in the loft. Loft is the space below the roof used to store things. On the top she has stored, okay, below the roof. Okay, now father, could you get me a bag down here, my dear? So she father said her daughter, said his daughter, actually it will be his daughter, said his daughter to bring down the bag of gold coins. Okay, so Thuja got a bag of gold coins that she had saved from selling the bananas. So the bag of gold coins, she collected those money in the form of gold coins and she brought it down. Oh, how Thengi stared at the golden heap when Thuja poured out all the gold coins on the floor. She poured all the gold coins on the floor from the bag, and Thengi was just staring, was looking. He was very surprised also. Father went outside and collected a handful of dust from the fields. So father bought a handful of dust from the fields where he grew those banana plants. Okay, father showing the handful of dust. Thengi, have you now understood how to change dust into gold? So now he said that, did you learn how to change dust into gold? Yes, father, I have understood that only hard work can change dust to gold. So what did he learn here? What did Thengi learn here? That through hard work he can change dust into gold. Okay, thank you for you have taught me an important lesson today. So you see children, this is a folk tale. In this we got a model. Thengi also got a model. He thanked his father-in-law that he has taught him a very important lesson today. He has taught him a very important lesson how to change dust into gold. So how he changed dust into gold? He changed dust into gold by hard work. Through his hard work he changed dust into gold. Children, please go through this play. This is a very nice, you can say, in a form of a story we read it. So this is a very nice story, you can say. Just go through this. Okay, then question answers will follow in the next class. Okay, thank you.